What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find wholesale deals and how to get a wholesale deal done for completely 100% free. And guys, this is a complete game changer because the average wholesale deal profit, on average, we make about $15,000 profit per wholesale deal. So if you're able to go out there and get a wholesale deal for completely free and then make $15,000, that's completely life-changing. In this video, I'm going to be giving you my top favorite strategies for finding wholesale deals and getting them done for 100% free. Also in this video, I'm going to be giving you all of my resources that you can use for wholesaling for free. And I'm going to be giving you free trials on software that you can use to go find a $15,000 wholesale deal for 100% free. So make sure you stick around and watch the whole video because I'm going to be giving you so much value in this video, and I'm going to be giving you so many downloads and resources for free that this video is going to be completely game-changing for your wholesaling real estate journey. Also, guys, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow the channel, reach more people, and impact more lives, so I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you so that way I can break down everything for you right in front of you, so that way you know exactly what to do and how to go out there and find these deals and make this money, all for no money, out of pocket, 100% for free. Let's get into it. So first off, I want to give you my free resources as far as my purchase contract, my assignment contract, and my cold calling script. So first off, the cold calling script is going to be super valuable, so that way you get an idea of how to talk to motivated sellers. It's important to have a baseline of, hey, when I call a seller and I do cold outreach, what do I say to them? That script is going to be super helpful. Then you're going to need the contracts in order to get the deal done. In order to get the deal under contract with the seller, you're going to need the purchase contract, and then once you find a buyer, you're going to need the assignment contract in order to sell the deal to the buyer. So let me go ahead and give you all that. All you have to do is go to jacobblank.com/free, input your information, and you're going to be able to download these resources. There's a link down below in the description for this. You're going to be getting this cold calling script, right? You're going to be getting this assignment contract, and you're going to be getting this purchase contract, all for 100% free. Now, guys, let's get into the first strategy of how to find deals. Okay, if you go on Craigslist, you are going to be able to go to US and then choose your area, right? So Arizona, we're going to go ahead and do Phoenix. Now what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to do for sale. So real estate for sale, housing for sale. What this is people posting their property on Craigslist for sale by owner. So what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to go through all of these listings, and you're going to be able to call up the seller or text or email them, and you're going to be able to make them a cash offer for their property. Guys, these are tens and hundreds of homeowners putting their property out there for sale by owner. They're not listing it with a realtor. They're just saying, hey, I want to sell my property, make me an offer. Go ahead and reach out to every single one of these properties and make them an offer. And as new ones get listed, check this every day because there will be new listings every day, new postings. Make offers to them as they get posted. So that way you're on top of every new for sale by owner on Craigslist. By the day, make them offers. Now you're probably wondering, how do we make the offer? So you can do a simple quick offer by taking the ARV or what their asking price is and offer them 75% of that, 70% of that, and shoot them that offer and see if they're interested in that. Somewhere between 60 to 70% of what they're asking, offer them that and see if they're interested in it. All right? Or you can look up the property and get the Zillow estimate, the Zestimate, whatever the Zillow Zestimate says, and offer them 60 to 70% of that. If you want to calculate a more accurate offer, I do have videos on my channel that go over how to calculate an exact offer to make the seller. But if you're just going through these for sale by owner listings as fast as possible, you don't need the most accurate offers. You can just shoot them a 60 or 70% offer and see if they take the bait and if they're interested in it. So that way you can get the offers off super fast rather than calculating each one. It'll take you too much time. So I recommend you just do mass outreach, shoot them all an offer of 60 to 70% of their asking price, and you'll be able to find a deal like that. There's another website that's super amazing for this as well. It's called forsalebyowner.com. If you go to forsalebyowner.com, you're going to be able to see there's hundreds of properties listed here, again, listed by the owner for sale. They are saying, hey, we want to sell our property for cash, make me an offer. So I want you to go again and make them offers just like you did with the Craigslist listings. All right, so those are two good free methods. Now, before we move on to the next free method, let me go ahead and give you two more things for free, two other resources for free. First is going to be PropStream. You're going to be able to get a 7-day free trial of PropStream for 100% free. PropStream is an all-in-one wholesaling tool. It helps you do everything when it comes to wholesaling. You are going to be able to identify leads. You're going to be able to pull data of motivated sellers. So it's going to show you what homeowners are going through divorce, what have liens on their property, if there has been a death, right? If they've owned the property for 20 years or more and they're likely to sell it. You're going to be able to pull data from PropStream in order to cold call these sellers and call sellers that are motivated, right? You're also going to be able to look up any property across the country and research that property, get all the information about that property at your fingertips. And also, they provide you a few different ways to market to them. You can send direct mail, you can skip trace them. All these resources are in there for you then to market to the leads to find deals. And so much more, guys. The list goes on. You're able to figure out every value of the property by seeing the comparables. You're able to target leads, contact property owners, all of this stuff. It's an all-in-one wholesaling tool. There's going to be a link in the description down below for you to get a 7-day free trial of it. This is what it looks like, guys. When you log in, you're going to be able to see the map of your area. You'll be able to look up any area, and it's going to show you all the properties in that area, and it's going to show you how many are in pre-foreclosure, how many properties are vacant, right? And if I want to contact the vacant homeowners, I can click on vacant, and it's going to show me what properties are vacant, and I can go do outreach. I can also filter for more things like liens, bankruptcy, divorce, and target all that stuff as well. So guys, PropStream is a great tool for wholesaling real estate and to find deals, and you're going to be able to get a 7-day free trial of it. After that, it's $97 a month. So make sure you go get the 7-day free trial of that. There will be a link down below in the description for that. Guys, the next thing is going to be my wholesaling Facebook group. This is a group where there is buyers, there's other wholesalers in there that you can network with, and everybody in this group is just looking to help you out, looking to help each other out, to find buyers, to find deals, and all of that. So I highly recommend that you join this Facebook group. It's 100% free. It's called Wholesaling Real Estate with Jacob Blank. Go check it out on Facebook. Join the group because there is so much value in this group and collaboration in this group and networking in this group and buyers in this group for 100% free. All right, next let's move on to the next strategy to find deals. The next one is going to be the Zillow strategy, okay? The Zillow strategy is going to be a for sale by owner strategy. So what we're going to do is we're going to search up an area. So we're going to do Maricopa County, Arizona, or we'll do Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix, Arizona, we're going to search. Now we're going to search for some filters because we just want to be looking at properties that are listed for sale by owner. So we're going to click on for sale, make sure it's for sale only. We are going to do more, and we're going to do by owner, okay? We're going to click only by owner. We're going to remove agent listed, and we're going to remove new construction. We don't want new construction. Foreclosures and auctions are fine. Coming soons are fine, okay? And then we're going to do maximum year build, 2020. We don't want properties that are brand new. And we're going to click apply. Also, if you guys just want to sort for like houses, we're going to remove land, lots, apartments, manufactured, and we're going to focus on houses, townhomes, and condos. Well, co-ops, no, so we'll remove those. We'll just do houses and townhomes. Click apply. Now that we've sorted for all that, we can save our search as well. Now we have the map over here, okay? And this is going to show us every property that has been listed by the owner for sale in the valley, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to do our outreach just like we did on Craigslist and forsalebyowner.com. But what we're going to do is we're going to want to start at the top and click on each property one by one. And we're going to go ahead and click on it. And then we're going to go ahead and click, this is an auction. We actually want to avoid auctions because we won't be able to contact the seller directly. So we're removing auctions, and now we're starting. So we're going to click on this first one, and it says contact agent. That will contact the homeowner. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to either send them a message that you're interested and then have them get back to you and then make them the offer over the phone, or you can go ahead and type up a message here and say, hey, I'm interested in purchasing this property. I'd like to make you an all-cash offer where I cover all the closing costs for 70% of their asking price. So, or of the Zestimate, but either one works. So you're going to take your calculator. We'll take the $895 that they're asking, and we're going to do 70% of that is $626,000. We'll call it $650. So we're going to go ahead and make them a $650,000 offer. I'm prepared to offer you $650,000 for your property, and I'm going to pay you all cash. Click contact, and it's going to go ahead and send that to them. It's also going to list down below. I can't show it on YouTube, but down below there will be the direct phone number for the owner. So you can go ahead and get that homeowner's phone number, call them up, make that offer over the phone with them, negotiate with them, and also you can send them a text message to make them the offer. So you don't have to use the contact agent button. You can also scroll down. I can't show their contact info on YouTube, but you can get the seller's direct contact info. So next, after we click off of that property, you're going to see it turn pink, unlike all the other ones that are red. We're going to go through and we're going to click on every single property and make them an offer. And then what we're going to do is we're going to log back into Zillow every single day and click on the new red ones that pop up that we haven't contacted yet, right? Everything's going to be pink because we're going to go through all of them. And then new ones that pop up daily will be red. And we're going to try to be the first person to reach out to the new listings and make them an offer right away for their property. So guys, that is how to use Zillow to find deals for free. Now, the final method is going to be virtual driving for dollars. What you're going to want to do for free, you're going to be able to go on Google Maps, okay? And you're going to be able to drop this guy on any street in a neighborhood, okay? And you're going to be able to go ahead and virtually drive through dollars, walking through the streets. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for properties that are distressed, tall grass, roof falling apart, fascia damage, right? Broken windows, boarded up properties, any property that looks like it's damaged and needs a lot of work. What we're then going to do is we're going to take down the address, okay? And then we're going to use a free skip tracing platform in order to contact this homeowner. So this looks boarded up right there. This one kind of looks like it's vacant and could use some work, right? The roof looks older. There's some damage right there. So what we're going to do is this is 490 West George Avenue. We're going to take that and we're going to go to a website called cyberbackgroundchecks.com, okay? And this is a website where you're going to be able to do a reverse address lookup. So we're going to take that address and plug it in here, do a reverse address lookup, okay? And do a search, and it's going to give us the contact info. So for this one, it didn't work. So what we can do is we can try to search it again, or we can try a different property. But basically, this website, once you put that info in, it's going to go ahead and do a reverse address lookup, and it's going to give you the contact information for the owner of the property, and then you can go ahead and do outreach. So let's see. Let me go ahead and pull another property here and show you. So 5613 North 63rd. Let's say it's a distressed property. We're going to go ahead, plug that address in here, search it up, and boom, we're getting contact info for the seller just like that. All right, so that's how you skip trace a property for free and get the contact info to reach out to the sellers. So you can do all the driving for dollars that you want. You can do it in any city across the country. All you got to do is drop down and then start walking the streets looking for distressed properties. You don't need any platform for this. It's 100% free. So guys, again, make sure you go download my free resources at jacobblank.com/free for my free script and my purchase and assignment contract. One more thing that I want to give you for free to wrap up this video as another free gift for you for making it all the way to the end of this video. I want to go ahead and give you my investor-friendly title company list. This is a nationwide list of title companies across the country that are willing to close wholesaling real estate assignment transactions. So if you're looking for a good title company to close your deals, go download this investor-friendly title company list at jacobblank.com/title. But overall, guys, I hope you found this video valuable, showing you exactly how to wholesale real estate for free, how to find deals for free, and also I hope you found all the resources that I gave you for free in this video valuable as well. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the red button and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful to help you find a deal for free, so that way you can make tens of thousands of dollars in wholesaling real estate and change your life with real estate just like I've changed mine. But other than that, guys, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.